naturals, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscription button if you're new, and also on the notification button so you'll be notified on our future uploads. In today's video, I share a natural darkening treatment. Believe it or not, this works 100%. This treatment works in darkening your grays. Even if you don't have grays, this works in making your hair even more darker than the usual shade. It also helps to thicken hair. It helps to grow your hair really fast. This treatment is all that. If you've got dandruff, this will remove dandruff and flaky scalp. It also helps to clarify hair. This can also be used as a natural shampoo. Basically, all in one. This treatment is amazing, and I'm sure you don't want to miss any part of this video. Ensure you watch to the end. Now, to begin, grab the leaves. And what leaves are we talking about today? These are called bitter leaves, spelled on the screen. Vennonia amygdalina is a vegetable used for preparing the popular bitter leaf soup here in Nigeria or any part of Africa. It is also known as onugbu in Igbo, shiwaka in Hausa, ewuro by the Yorubas of Nigeria. Though this plant has been around for hundreds of years, only a few people know of its medicinal and healing properties. Bitter leaves, as the name implies, is actually a bitter plant whose leaves, extras, stems, and barks are used for culinary, medicinal, and curative purposes. Vitamins in bitter leaf includes vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin B1, and B12. My mom was a big fan of bitter leaf, and she always makes the drink for us each time we eat a lot of sugary things. These bitter leaves can cure fever, helps with diabetes. It has a really bitter taste and everyone hated it, but because of its medicinal value, my mom always prepares it for us each time we take lots of sugary things. Who would have believed that this plant can be used for hair? Well, I've brought it to your notice. Kindly type thank you in the comment section below. Those gray hair on your head aren't there for nothing, right? Well, to get the best results from bitter leaf plants is best taking freshly squeezed from the leaves. So that's basically what we're about to do right now. For this, I'm making use of 15 to 20 stems of the bitter leaf plants. So I started off by plucking only the leaves because we are not going to be using the stalk. So after plucking the leaves, here's what I have. This is the quantity that we are working with. So I'll go ahead and wash them thoroughly to remove impurities and dirt. And mind you, we are not going to be using this, so we are going to be discarding that. So to wash them, make sure to wash them about 2 to 3 times because of the sand, impurities, and dust. For the extraction of the bitter leaves juice, this can be done the old school way of rubbing the clean leaves in between your palms. Please, you do not need water for this process. That's because bitter leaf in itself comes with loads of water, so you do not need to add water. I'm basically saying that you don't need water for the extraction of the bitter leaf juice. On the other hand, you can do the modern way by using your juicer or your blender to blend the leaves with little water. By adding little water, you have already diluted this. My opinion, this is the perfect way to extract the bitter leaf juice because this is not difficult. If you ask me, just keep on squeezing it. Before you know it, it will start foaming because it comes with loads of foam when you're squeezing it. Just keep on scrubbing the leaves together using your hands until the juice comes out. It will look foamy, totally okay. You can even see how foamy this looks while squeezing. It will keep on foaming as you squeeze. Here are some of the benefits of using bitter leaf for your hair. It makes the hair shiny, it gives the weight and make it full, especially for natural hair. It serves as a detangler, it conditions your hair, it eliminates dandruff, it naturally darkens your grays, it also darkens your hair even without grays. It gets rid of scalp diseases such as rashes, boils, itching, scalp and ringworms. So many benefits embedded in this. So after squeezing, I went ahead and sieved this using my strainer. Please, if you have cheesecloth, go ahead and use it. I was unable to find mine. That was why I used only my strainer. It's perfect with cheesecloth. That way you're able to squeeze this properly. Guys, for the chaff, I'm not going to be putting that to waste. Just as you can see, I'm going to be using this for my soup. So I'm going to put it in a clean bowl and store in my freezer that I'm going to use to make popular soup here in Nigeria known as egusi soup. Let me know if you also love that soup. So I'll keep on squeezing to get my juice, and here is my juice. I'll go ahead and transfer it into my applicator bottle because it's perfect for use for this to apply on the hair so that you don't mess things around, because if you use a spray bottle, it's going to mess everywhere up. It's going to be really messy, but applicator bottle is perfect. Here is an assignment. You can also read up on the benefits of bitter leaf for your body. This bitter leaf is common here in Africa. Please, if you're in the diaspora watching me, you can as well use the dried version. The dried version is also as potent as this, so you can ask anybody to dry it here and send to you. It's perfect for use. A lot of you dry it here and take there for your soups, so you can use it in its dry form. Please, bitter leaf provides your hair with moisture and protein. That is, it is moisture and protein balanced. For those of you that may come to ask me in the comment section below. Also, this treatment can also be used on relaxed hair, not just for natural hair. For the storage, please, you do not need to store this. Just make as you would use per time, and after that, discard the remnant. No need to store this, because if you store it after 24 hours, this goes bad. You need not use it anymore. So make as you would use per time. So for the application, I will go ahead and saturate it on my hair section by section. For those of you that may want to use it to darken your hair, darken your gray hair, use it section by section on your hair to coat your hair from the root to the tips of your hair. For those of you that may come to my comment section to ask me, Dima, but you don't have gray hair. I must not have gray hair to share something that works with you. So I don't have gray hair does not mean that I will not share something that I found useful with you. So the people around me here don't have gray hair, so there is nobody to use as a model. And mind you, you must not have gray hair to use this. You can use it to delay your gray hair. You can use it to darken your hair. If your hair is no longer dark, is a different shade, you can use this to return it to its factory settings. Please, you are to do this after shampooing. Make sure to use it after shampooing and then use it to coat your hair. You can as well do it after your deep conditioning if you would deep condition. So after deep conditioning, you can also use this. If you don't deep condition, like me that don't deep condition on every wash day, after shampooing, go ahead and use this to saturate your hair, cover up your hair, and allow it to sit overnight. Do not rinse off immediately. You can do it and allow it to sit overnight. You can also do it and allow it to sit for hours. Go about your normal business. Cover up your hair with a plastic bag and then cover with a scarf. Let me give you a tip on how to do this. Cover with a scarf and then go about your businesses. And after many hours, go ahead and rinse it off and make sure to moisturize your hair. Moisture is very, very important. For those of you that don't like deep conditioning and moisturizing their hair, sis, what is your plan? Can you tell me your plan in the comment section below? Why wouldn't you moisturize your hair? Why wouldn't you apply deep conditioners? I can't overemphasize this fact. Deep conditioners help your hair manageable enough. That brings us to the end of this video. Ask your questions in the comment section below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Remember to share this video. Sharing this video, make sure to tag me, Dima Okike. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one shortly. Bye.